In this video, I'll walk you through how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. It's essential to follow each step carefully to ensure the process works smoothly, so be sure to watch until the end. Since Toncoin isn't listed for trading on Binance, we'll first need to swap it to USDT within the Tonkeeper app. Start by selecting Swap, then choose to exchange Toncoin for USDT and enter the amount you want to transfer. Once the swap is complete, tap Send. At this point, you'll need a deposit address. For this example, we'll use Binance. Open the Binance app, go to Deposit, search for USDT and select it. Now, here's an important part: choosing the correct network. Scroll down, locate Toncoin and select it. Copy the provided address. Switch back to Tonkeeper, paste the address, then return to Binance to copy the USDT memo. Go back to Tonkeeper and paste this memo in the required comment field. After double checking all the details, hit Continue. Choose USDT as the currency you're sending, specify the amount, and select Continue. If everything looks good, confirm and send. If you want to convert your USDT to cash, go to P2P in the Binance app. Here, select Sell, pick the currency you'd like to receive, and USDT as the cryptocurrency you're selling. Enter the withdrawal amount, provide your bank details when prompted, and confirm the transaction. Once it's processed, the funds should arrive in your bank account shortly.